All right, let's give her a little shot of starting fluid, a little ether in there. If I can't get it to run today, I just don't know what we gonna do. Don't pay attention to that loose wire right there. I'm sure that means nothing. Oh yeah, look at that. Work that down in there deep. Oh yeah, open up that butterfly. Oh, honey, hush. All right, here's what we got. It's got a fresh battery. We got a quarter of a tank of gas, about 6 gallons. I went and filled up the cans twice. Well, twice in the tall one, once in the little stubby. Anyway, let's see what happens. God, I hope this works. We're not even gonna do a stop thing. I'm gonna leave y'all right here with me. All right, Herbie. They want you to run, buddy. Not as much as I do. Well, what is going on here? Yeah! Shit. Stupid. This might not warm your heart as much as it warms mine, but this sucker's running and it's idling. You want to go for a ride? Yes. All right. I'm pretty sure. What would you think? Think this is the first time this car's had gas at the gas station in 30 years?
More than that, if I'm honest.
The owner of the car passed away in '91. I think isn't that what Papa said?
Yeah, and he was related to one of my grandmother.
Right.
And that's kind of cool because we got to own something that's been in the family for 30 years. But the biggest thing about it is the fact that it still runs perfectly. Like
we got it running. We came up here. We put $15 worth of gas in it. Some of that 93 octane. We're gonna put some air in the tires. We're gonna take it over here and wash the bird poo-poo. But Herbie's running. And Herbie's looking good, running good, sounding good. Here, hold the phone right here so you can give him a little sound here. Let him hear big Herbie.
So we're just about to start this thing up. By the way, this is the world's first push-to-start Volkswagen. For everybody knowing, it has a push-to-start because the ignition broke.
Man, he just fired right up. Did you see that?
I mean, yeah, it didn't take him a second.
Move the camera around. So just looking at
it's like,
what are you looking at? You're looking at my shoulder. All right, let's pull up here and get a little air for it. Do better holding that camera. What are you doing to me, son? Come on now.
Well, I mean, I don't. God.
You be all right. Hook it up.
Oh.
All right. Tell him you'll be right back.
We'll be right back, guys. Okay, so I'm sorry we weren't able to get the footage, but the air pressure on this, passenger side front tire.
So was it 5 or 6?
It was at 9. We were rolling on rims the entire time, and we didn't even know it. We were literally using the rims of the car as tires, completely without knowing. And this is completely. This is old. It's an old car. Currently at 26.
Well, I'm just trying to, because we're going to run out of time in a second.
Yeah. Don't mind that metal scraping sound. That's just my father.
Pretty sure this is the first wash this car's had in, what do you think, 40 years? It's the first time it's been on the road in at least 30. But anyway, we're going to see what we can do. I need to fix that hood before we do that so we don't water out the hood. All right. Herbie's first bath. It's actually going to be The Shining. My son wants to put it back to yellow. Back to Stephen King. I wish he'd stay with Kubrick's Red, but that's not going to happen.
Oh, he's going to be cleaner than clean after we're done with this thing. Oh! He got cleaned too much there. He got cleaned way too much there. His lid popped off on his eye. Oh, my ears. Oh. Loud. Very loud. All right, calm down. You're going to take the rest of the paint off right there. Oh. Yeah, it's going to be a little bit wet on the inside. Pause.
You don't have it all spiffy.
I mean, this car has not been driven in around maybe a year or two. No.
Yeah, it is.
No. 5,000 for a car with the
four-wheel disc brakes.
Well, I mean, the disc brakes and the new fuel tank is worth way more than the car is. Because I hate to dox the number we bought this car for, but this was like $1,900. It was cheap.
It's not for sale.
But it's not for, no, I'll never sell this. I will die with this car.
Let's not get carried away.
I'll probably give it to my son if I ever have a child.
That's cool.
Because
You're not thinking about kids for a while.
Well, I mean, if I do have a child and I have a family and stuff, I'm going to give him my car. Because the Volkswagen I don't think it should just, after I die, just go away completely. I think that this car should live on.
Why are you talking about?
We didn't buy those rims to show off, all right? The rims? The
Right? You mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, we did.
No, we didn't. Look, it's going to look like it just rolled off the factory line. I don't care how you do it. I don't care how much money it takes, how much time it takes. I just want it to look old. And right now, currently, it looks like be that car that you'd see at like an action line. I'm kind of stupid, so yeah. Look at that. They still work?
So we turned the windshield wipers on. I hope we don't get in a real tough rain. Do they go faster? No, that's it.
Oh no, those things are going super fast. I'm kidding.
Yeah, Herbie's running great, man.
My father was scared when we were pulling out of that lot. It kind of sounded weird for a second.
Show them the speedometer. No, that's what they want to see. They want to see the goods.
Show them the changing thing. It's a change. Oh,
Here, grab the thing.
is that its like max?
Yeah, let's go to 3.